Middle of June, thunderstorm rolling into Indiana. Been several good lightning strikes. Lots of thunder. Now that I started recording, probably won't get any of it. There was a little bit of lightning right there. Not sure if the camera picked it up or not. Sounds like there's lots of storm damage up in the northern part of Indiana. Hopefully there's been nobody hurt. That was a good one. I don't know if I got it or not, but I think I did. That one was close. Wind was howling pretty good earlier. Leaves off the catalpa tree laying there in the yard. I don't know how that old tree's still standing. I really thought it was going to fall down 5 years ago when we bought the property. It's got a bunch of dead branches, limbs. Wow, I hope that picked up. Pretty good spot for it. Yeah, that old tree's got some dead limbs and branches, bare spots in it, but still hanging in there. Hopefully I got that lightning. shut her down here for a second. Looks like maybe it's slowed down a little. Hopefully we got some of them lightning strikes on video. All right, everybody, have a great day. God bless. Be kind.